Imagine undertaking a course where you snorkel with sharks, visit the beach to monitor sand dunes, squish through mud to examine the growth and diversity of seagrass beds on the Gold Coast, dive in local reefs, monitor mangrove forests, undertake photography lessons on land and underwater.
Certificate 2 and 3 in Marine Habitat Conservation and Restoration is a subject which everything you learn is related to practical, real-life situations. It is related to a career where you can make a difference, a career where you get to help protect the marine wildlife and habitats. The concerns in 2020 are for the future of our world. The world is more conscious than ever before that our natural habitats are suffering and in dire need of restoration and conservation. Envirotech Education are dedicated to the future of our world and are therefore proud to acknowledge that we have written, have had accredited and are delivering the first marine certificate course in the entire world. We currently have our first marine class, made up of international and domestic adult students in Australia. We are presently engaged in the Red Sea project in Israel. This course is going Australia-wide, worldwide, but as Queenslanders ourselves, we want to begin with you. Are you ready to make a change? Join us to study the Marine Habitat Conservation and Restoration courses.